I had had hip pain for a while. I decided I needed to have it looked at. Both my hip joints had gotten to the point where the cartilage had worn off and it was bone on bone. And that's when I decided to have hip replacements. I started having pain, then realized that it wasn't an infection, that it was actually metallosis from the hip implant.
We never knew when this was ever going to be over, and we still don't. There still could be complications that occur in the future. Almost every time he would call my name, I would panic because I would think something had gone wrong.
By the time I got to the fourth or fifth surgery, we knew that this was a bigger issue. And that's when I started looking at possibility of finding an attorney. I was looking for attorneys who were competent, had the experience in these kinds of cases, but at the same time had the right work ethic and were good people. Chaffin Luhana was one that immediately spoke to me. I got to talk to Rupal, and talking to Rupal also just immediately confirmed that these were people who were compassionate, competent, and were able to immediately calm me down. It just seemed obvious that this was the right firm.
We didn't have to explain anything. She knew exactly what we were talking about when we mentioned all these medical terms that obviously he knows well because he's a physician. That was very comforting. We felt like we were in good hands.
Now we can enjoy life. I may still end up having to stop working tomorrow, but at least I know that I can stop working if I have to. Find a kind of firm that is looking after you and not after how much money they can make. Because we didn't get that feeling from Chaffin Luhana. We knew they wanted to do the best for us without thinking about what it meant for them. It was our welfare and our future that was important to them.